Okay, hello again. This is my second time doing this, and the time now is what's the time? 11:46. It's on a Sunday. Just woke up like 1 hour ago. Caught up on my TikToks, which is not good. I know it's not good, not healthy for my brain. But again, there's only so much anyone can do about that. For now, I'll try looking for some solution later, not now. I'm not sure what I should look for. What is a solution anyway for something like addiction? Because this is as far as I'm concerned, this is new to me. I've never experienced this, and it's good and it's almost harmless. But you know what? I'm losing track. Anyway, um, this is what I want to talk about today. Today is on Sunday. Just I've not yet taken anything. I should probably brush my teeth. I feel horrible. Also, I need to do something. I need to tell you guys something. I need to admit something that I unfortunately do. It's not good. It's not great. Of that I can assure you. It's not great, and it's not like I personally love doing what I do, you know. And I just want to admit this to you because I think if I speak this out to the void, if I shout this to the void, it might help me in some way. And who knows, maybe in like 10 years' time, someone will watch this video and like comment on it and tell me what I should do, and maybe I'll find a solution to this. So, um, here goes. I unfortunately have this thing that I do, like when I build something, when I do anything really, and it does not reach a certain standard that I believe it should. When that doesn't happen, I tend to scrap it out. If it's a project, I simply destroy it and start again from scratch. I just take the little pieces that were the most important from the previous project and incorporate it to the new project. Whatever I do, that's how I do it. So I will talk about programming in this instance. So in terms of programming, this is how I do it. I have a problem. I try solving the problem using a certain method, okay? And then when this method gets to be successful or not, I mean, it's a project and it's ongoing, and unfortunately for me, I simply don't have a person that I can work with because I really don't know where to look for such a person. So I do this alone. Is it fine? I don't know. Is it sad? You know what? I'm losing track. Let me continue the story. So I unfortunately do this recursively until it satisfies me. Okay? And now, the moment that the project satisfies me, immediately I simply stop and archive it or something, because there is nothing else for me to do. I can't use it for any other purpose. For example, I will talk about my local. I wrote a script a few months back, probably last year, somewhere last year. I wrote a Python script where I got to collect data about my internet speeds, and it will give me insight on how my ISP has been, working with my internet. Actually, that's how I know that my ISP was not exactly giving me the internet that I was rated for. And then, you know, I oh, Christ. And Then I complained to them, and they, you know, renewed it and gave me a better speed. So, okay. So, the point is, it works, right? And the moment it works, I'm running it locally on my PC. Unfortunately, don't have a Raspberry, which I'm trying to look for, but it's so expensive, so expensive. I just saw that a Raspberry Pi can cost me about 7,000, and it's, you know, not one of the best models. The latest model is 20,000 bob, 20,000 Kenya shillings, which is honestly expensive. You know, I don't have that kind of money right laying around. Oh, is it 20 or 15? You know what? It doesn't matter. I can't afford it. Yeah. So, point is, I write a script like that one. It is complete. You know, it collects the data, it stores it. I have an entire database of all that information just laying around on my PC, and there's literally nothing else I can do other than run it. And if I don't run it, I'll simply archive it, and it befuddles me, because I don't understand why I do this. You know, because why should I create something and then never use it? Now, the last time I uploaded a video, I did talk about my my project, my latest project. Well, a couple, but the most important one, if I may say so. So I talked about the way I wrote code so that a user can use WhatsApp to communicate to a database by having the intermediary of an AI. So the AI communicates to the database on the user's behalf, and it makes everything super simple, you know. And I chose WhatsApp because it's simple, and it's, you know, honestly real simple to use, and people love it for some reason, and I don't blame them. Let people take what they want to take. So the day I uploaded that, the day afterwards I fixed some bugs, and technically it was ready not to be shipped but to be tested. But it should be tested by users, and I had talked to my superior at work, because this was a work related project. I used the information at work, and it was supposed to be awesome, and you know. Anyway, let me continue in my story. By Friday, everything was set. I had written everything I needed to do. The only thing I had to do was simply connect his phone number to the WhatsApp, to my WhatsApp project, and so that he can communicate and you know, try out the entire project for himself. And that was supposed to be the plan. He was supposed to do it together with some other people, you know, and they were supposed to be the ones that were supposed to test it for me, so that I obviously I will be looking at the feedback from the back end and fixing errors as they continue testing it for me, because it's a work related thing, and I'm trying to solve some problems internally. So this is where the problem is. I simply did not do that. Now, why did I not connect it to why did I not talk about it to anyone? I don't know. It is so difficult. I don't know why I did that. Why I did not do that. Why did I not do that? It's like I'm not yet ready, and I can't do this anymore because I've been doing this for years. I I'm learning as I do these things, so I've been building it as I grow, and honestly speaking, it is already this a little bit. Maybe I can talk about processing, generating, exporting um, files, because maybe the user can request a file to get exported in a certain, maybe as a PDF. You know, maybe the user wants to send raw data um, to share it externally with an external source. So, you know, I've not integrated that, but other than that, they can literally query everything from my database. And well, that's, I've done the basics of, yeah, of it. I've done the basics, and nothing is stopping me from communicating, and I still haven't, you know, and this is my problem. This is what I do, unfortunately, and I don't like it, and I don't know how I'm going to fix myself. But maybe on Monday I'll meet them, and I'll do this. This will get done. But until then, I still have the problem of, will I do it? Will I not do it? And why do I not do it? That is the most important question. Why? What happens? What is so scary that... Anyway, that's it for now, and that's it.